Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Continue about factorizing. We have a new formula in this video. We call it the difference of a square. The difference of a square is not too difficult. Formula just something like this. We got a square and minus b square. This is a square minus b square. That's why we call it the difference of the square. Okay. And this is will be factorizing into two brackets. The first bracket you got a minus b, that's it. And the second one will be a plus b. Very easy. Can you see that? And if you have any the difference of the two number, but that it have to be the square number. We have here example another one, m squared minus n squared. So it will be m minus n and multiply m plus n. That's all. So if you have the formula something or the expression something like that, you should not imagine about this one. You should not, because this is not a formula. A lot of my students have a mistake about this one. They think that this is minus and this is plus, so we can change here, become minus become to plus, or minus plus become to minus in this equation. No, we cannot do that. We just have formula about the difference of the square. That's all. And another example about this one, we can write down here is 9 minus a square. So how can we factorizing for this one? It's not easy. Yeah. We can write down 9 equal to something square. 9 equal to 3 square, so that's why I change form of 9 equal to 3 square minus a square in this form. And then after this one, I'm got the a 3 minus a and multiply 3 plus a in this equation. Yeah, that's all. So we continue practicing about this one with some example. First, for example, how can you do this one? A square minus m square, you got a minus m, multiply with a plus m. The next one, b square minus a square, you got b minus x, multiply b plus x. Y square minus a square, you got y minus x, and then you got y plus x. So a square minus y square, you got a minus y, multiply with a plus y. Okay. For this question, you got a square minus 4. 4 here is not square, is not form of square, so I can change. A square I'm got here, I'm change 4 become to something square, so I will to 2 square because 2 square equal to 4. And now we have the difference of the square, x square minus 2 square. So we can factorizing for this one, x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay, the next one, you got y square, and I change 9 become to 3 square because 3 square equal to 9. So we got the y minus 3 in the first bracket, and the second bracket you got y plus 3. The next one, you got m square minus 9 square. 9 square equal to 81. So the first one, you got m minus 9, and the second one, you got m plus 9. 100 minus a square. So how can you do that? 10 square minus a square. Okay. The difference of square tells you the formula we can get here become to two bracket, 10 minus x and 10 plus x. Okay, 16, yeah, very easy. 4 square minus m square. So first bracket you got 4 minus m. The second one you got 4 plus m. Yeah, that's all. The next 5 question we can do another a little bit advanced. You got here x square and y square minus a square. So you can see in this position you got a two product. x square multiply y square. I cannot do this one in the different square form, so I have to change form of this one. I'm got here x square and y square, so I can combine it into the bracket like this. X multiply y and square outside. This is a rule of exponent of the power number. You got x square, y square, so you can see here both x and y have a square outside, have a square. So I can put x and y, multiply y inside the bracket, and the outside I'm got square. And minus a square. So for this form, I'm got the difference of square form. So I can factorizing this one. First bracket, you got xy minus a. The second one, you got xy plus a. Yeah, okay. The next one, I can change here x multiply a and square here and minus b square. Okay, so this one, you got a minus b and multiply x multiply a plus b in here. Okay, for this one. And question 12, you got a square, b square, y square. I combine them into the one bracket and square outside. And then I'm got a minus by and multiply a plus by. Okay, minus and plus. B square minus s square, x square. You know how to do that, right? S and h, I combine them inside the bracket and the outside is square in the power number. So the difference of square, you have this form, and b is minus 8h and b plus 8h. Okay, so hardest question in this video, you got a square multiply b square minus c square multiply h square. So I change form, this one become to ab, and you got square outside. You got here is c and h, and you got c square outside one more time. So you got the difference of two square, ab and ch square. So that's why I can factorizing this one become to first bracket ab minus ch, and the next one you got ab plus ch. That's all. Okay, hope you can understand about this video. The difference of square is not too difficult topic, but you have to learn and very master about the changing the form become to the difference of square. Thank you so much and see you in next video.